Hey guys, here we are, under 20 Tuesday, and I have this paper from Amy Tangerine Stitched, and I already cut this 8.5 by 11. It is a 12 by 12 paper pad, and I brought some of the cut apart cards, one piece to mat it, but there's so much going on in the background that I thought I would keep it relatively simple. So this could be a 10-minute Tuesday, but we're going to do under 20, just to be on the safe side. So, I did bring this doily in. And I don't want to put the stuff in the wrong I don't know why I favor the bottom corner, but I do. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a awesome week. Oh, and I was planning on bringing in some of the color cast designs, sprinkly, maybe a camera. Anyway, this is of my nephew, and if you look really closely, you'll see he's touching a rock. That's the funny story behind it, because we had went to, it was like an aquarium place down in Orlando, and we had been looking at all the beautiful sea creatures, and we get to this little area where they're like, oh, you can touch the animal, the sea creatures or whatnot in there, and I could not tell you what the heck was in there, but he kept saying, it's so cold, it's so cold. And I look over and his dad's standing there and he's like, Kyler, you're touching a rock. And he's like, yeah, I know, but it's so cold. It was hilarious. I thought. And so I had to get a picture of him because I didn't want him to move. And yeah. That was 2 years ago? A year ago? Gosh, I can't remember now. Anyway, this is somebody had asked on Facebook the other day, what do you do with the pictures that you don't necessarily love? And I actually had, I think, put this in my traveler's notebook. But this is one that I didn't do in the wedding, the traveler vacation album, So I thought I had put it into traveler's notebooks because I wasn't real wild about how all the photos basically came out like real blue here at this aquarium, and so I am going to pop this picture up first off. And so I did document a few in the vacation album that I did. There's a million videos on that playlist most likely. I did bring out these red hearts to sprinkle because I thought it matched. I think that's Alvin standing there. No, it might be Dwayne, my husband. I don't know. Anyway, whoever's in the picture, I gotta make sure it matches. Good enough. Okay, so I did pick out a few things here. not a good idea to put the foam on and then try to add this. And I was thinking about doing journaling so that I could tell the story, but I didn't. This little chipboard says exploring. Just trust me on that one. I don't know if it came through or not. That's the color cast. And this was a heat embossed. I had went through and heat embossed a couple of... One night I was sitting here and I stamped out a few stamps and heat embossed them to make it a little bit easier for quick and easy embellishments, I guess is what I'm trying to say here. I have a few things here that I kind of picked out because I was getting this layout ready, and I guess I just didn't have time for it that day or something. I don't remember, but it's all good. I like how that looks like a tab. I'm always worried that this glue is not going to hold these acrylic pieces down very well. These were all just in my little bowl over there, and I thought to myself, shoot, let's get some of them used up. If I'm not mistaken, these are from a Hobby Lobby pack for Valentine's Day. And I went with the wonky hearts because I had 3 of them. They wanted it to be even. That's not gonna work. Don't know if I like that happy so close. My idea was to kind of have all the arrows pointing towards him because he's the point of interest. Now, what color was I thinking? Turquoise? I think I was thinking this piece here. Good grief, they put some good sticky on that, that's for sure. I kind of like it off to the side there. Give me skittery sprinkling opportunity there. Oh, you know what? I like these turquoise, I think. The dark blue will definitely go. And this turquoise, I think, is what I was looking at because it really matches that color. I don't know if it does on screen or not. Here's another one. And another one. Do I want to put gold? Oh yeah, I got gold on there. That'll work. Alright. Shall we sprinkle? Are you serious with me? Could you not be clogged right now? Appreciate you. This thing has got a million acrylic pieces on it, that's for sure. Ah, well. So it's Tuesday. Hope you guys are having a not hectic week. These hearts are tiny. Probably could use my tweezers. Get off there. What are you doing? Crazy stuff. Turquoise one too, yep. One more turquoise. I don't think I want to save it because I don't have any other turquoise, so I'll go ahead and use it. Perfection. Ooh, go back here. Okay. Get in there, you crazy kook. Alright. I don't know, if I feel like if I bring in the red, I'm introducing a whole nother color that, while it is here, I think I do have quite a few hearts on here, so I'm going to hold off on you little fellas. Hearts and arrows, hearts and arrows. Alright, I think I'll do a gold border. This is just the scrapbook.com pen, medium gold. Get out the way. I can't draw hearts very well. My daughter, however, she draws the most amazing hearts ever. I didn't get the creativity gene though, so she apparently got in on it though. So I think this is it. I don't think I need any more sprinkly bits. I like it being somewhat simple, if you can call it. It's simple for me. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you have an even better rest of your week. And if you feel like you could deal with me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If not, sorry. Anywho, you guys have a great rest of your week. Don't forget to make sure you get some crafty time in. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.